Hello everyone. So in this video we are discuss about the amyotrophic lateral sclerosis part 5 medical management. So basically the medical management means what? The drug management. Okay. So let's discuss. The first drug is riluzole and second is edavoran. Okay. So these are two main drugs which is basically or the first choice of drugs in the treatment of ALS patient. Okay, so first is riluzole. What riluzole does? So it reduces the glutamate and induce excitotoxicity, and the dose is 100 milligram per day. So this is the dose 100 milligram per day, and it is very much useful in ALS patient because it reduces the glutamate. Okay, and it prevents the cell death. Okay, so that's why it's useful. Second choice of drug which is the most important, that is edavoran. So basically what edavoran do, free radical scavenging agent it is, and it slow down the disease progression. Now we know the ALS is the progressive type of disease. Okay, we cannot stop the disease. ઓકે તો એનું પ્રોગ્રેશન જે છે એ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ રહેશે અને એના જે સિમ્ટમ્સ છે ડે બાય ડે વર્ઝન થશે. સો ફોર સ્લો ડાઉન દેટ progression process we can use the edavoran drug into the ALS patient, and it is the first choice of drug. The third is anticholinergic drugs. Basically anticholinergic drugs is used for managing the siluria. Now what is siluria? Is the excessive saliva production. So if you use anticholinergic, so functions શું કરશે બોડીમાં? It decrease the saliva production, okay, and manage the saliva production. So this is what about the anticholinergic drugs. The fourth is benzodiazepines. So basically benzodiazepines is used for managing the spasticity. Now spasticity is present in ALS because ALS is the motor neuron disease which shows the symptoms of UMN plus LMN both. Now the UMN sign is spasticity. So for managing spasticity we can use benzodiazepines. Fifth is NSAIDs and analgesics. So basically we all know the NSAIDs and analgesics are used for managing the pain. Seventh is anticonvulsant drug. Basically anticonvulsant drug is used to manage the muscle cramps. Muscle cramps are the sign and symptoms of the ALS. So for control the muscle cramps we use anticonvulsant drugs. So એનાથી જે muscle cramps છે એ ઓછા થઈ જશે, reduce થઈ જશે. 8 is pneumococcal and yearly influenza vaccinations. Basically vaccine is used for the prevention. So for managing respiratory impairments we use the pneumococcal and yearly influenza vaccinations. We know the common death nu jo cause છે in the ALS patient, that is respiratory failure. So for respiratory impairments જે છે એને મેનેજ કરવા માટે આપણે yearly vaccine provide કરી શકીએ. Next is for managing dysphagia. Okay, basically dysphagia means the difficulty in swallowing. So due to that patient ने जो pain હશે, swallowing problem હશે, તો patient food નહીં લેશે proper. તો આપણે એને nutritionist પાસે suggest કરીએ. So nutritionist provides counseling and provide dietary changes such as adapting food and liquid food for easier swallowing. So patient easily take the food and don't lose the weight. Okay, because if patient cannot take food, the weight loss is the complication. Now the nutritionist suggests to take a liquid food and avoid the solid food. Next, if severe dysphagia, so in that condition PEG is done. Basically PEG is what? The percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy. So it is a procedure and એના થ્રુ જે ફૂડ છે પેશન્ટને પ્રોવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે. So this is what about the for managing dysphagia in the severe case. Next is advise patient to avoid or minimize the intake of caffeine and nicotine. Okay, so caffeine and nicotine તો પેશન્ટને આપણે એડવાઇસ કરી શકીએ કે to stop or to minimize the intake of this caffeine and nicotine. So this is what about the medical management of the ALS. So thanks for watching, and if you like, subscribe. Thank you so much.